to drafting Bedard as we speak. But that's something we'll be looking at definitely.
Really? Why are you honking at me? You're supposed to stop at a stop sign.
Lottery and Columbus's gate.
Nope, stop. No, stop, Kia. You have no soul.
Like the original White Claw. I don't even know what a White Claw is. White Claw came out after
There was no stop up there.
my drinking.
Yeah, he ain't gonna stop. Scroobaroo. No, red light run, red light run, red light run.
3 p.m. Opera House Drama Theatre.
Wait, that was red.
Motorcycle accident. Press hit.
How does a stoner recite Shakespeare? Yeah, think about it.
In iambic.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Pretty much any time that you talk to me, Santa, I'm stoned because the pressures and stress.
No, stop behind me. No, stop behind me.
Absolutely.
And that guy crossed over the thing too. Made it awkward for me to merge over. You're supposed to yield.
Next time I roll it in that hamper, Tupper and smoke, so the ashes won't be
really?
my hand, bro.
Alright, come on, get on camera. Do the deed. Get on camera. Be on this video forever in the world to see. Scroobaroo. And there's a truck right there. Really? Exit dive. Wait, did he turn in front of a pedestrian going?
Empathic powers. They all failed. Even now, I have a 5-digit number, a word, and a small object in my kitchen at home. The place and items were chosen by a young man who intends to see them while traveling out of his body. They have been there, though regularly checked.
I have no clue what the hell's going on.
I'll be seeing that big dummy this weekend when I go out there to
Really?
College Station.
There's a car right alongside me too.
Dean Del Rey, and then we got a day off. And then Chapter 1: The most precious thing. All
Right turn, regret.
Measured against reality is primitive and childlike, and yet it is the most precious thing we have. Albert Einstein, 1879.
And left turn kind
As I got off the
failed.
plane, he was waiting
But
for me,
you're supposed to
holding
stop,
up a
dude.
scrap of cardboard with my name scribbled.
Really, you blew through that stop. Yeah, that's a straight from a left turn lane. And you blew through that stop, Audie.
Whacking. He told me he was glad I was that scientist guy. He had so many questions to ask about science.
Red light run, red light run, red, and you can go now. What the hell are you doing over? Yeah, I need to go to the movies more often. Everyone's screwing up.
Psychic spoon bender and extraterrestrial channeler Uri Geller hails from Israel. As tensions
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Correct. Yes, it has been a contentious issue for some people. Governments issuing statements of ownership or protesting about ownership. Ambassadors making speeches about maritime laws and sovereign land.
What?
But Canada and Denmark are allies. And this
Why
land
couldn't you just
dispute
pass
became
to the
something
left?
of an enjoyable game. Whichever nation...
Going to his dock
doctor that he was experiencing joint problems.
Really? President Biden has been having joint problems?
What the fuck?
His doctor, the White House doctor, I guess advised him to roll them tighter.
Post hoc, ergo propter hoc. Something similar seems to be true of individual.
Dude, I'm passing the cars on the left of me. I mean, to the right of me. Come on. Get off my ass. There you go. I'm moving over now. Happy now? And trying to get a tailgate that matches the color of the rest of the truck. Gee, I wonder how it got damaged.
Little like place where people sleep, like, you know, remember Mike Myers would like knock on?
Yeah, it was a Friday the 13th.
Nope.
Set,
It was a Friday the 13th set where like each campers had.
Mother Teresa? No.
Whoa. Yeah, you're off-road by a lot there. Holy crap.
Okay. I personally take offense to how many...
A little close, aren't we?
What does that imply about their origin? There's no doubt that humans commonly hallucinate. There's considerable doubt about whether extraterrestrials exist, frequent our planet, or
Yeah, why do you have to be cycling right on the white line?
Argue about details, and obedience to canon law, and confirming the faith of the pious. The fervor of
No,
pilgrims
stop
in
behind
such
me,
shrines is in practice.
Toyota!
It's not
Really? Why are you crossing the street? You're a fucking turkey, not a chicken!
You know, once that goes away, that does erode something that we have really come to, I think, see in many cases as foundational. And if that is where the widespread adoption of these drugs is pushing us, I think it's worth being circumspect about.
We've been talking with Matthew Schneier. He's a...
Here's what it is. When you start to reach for whatever it is you're going to reach for,
Really? Light turned
being
red.
able to...
Look at that, 199,999. I've had this car for 8 years. It had about 50,000 when I bought it. Now look at it. I love this car. It's reliable. It's been giving me almost no problems in the last, and there it goes, 200,000. I was purposely waiting for this car to reach that milestone. It just did that. So now it's time for me to buy another one. I'm just too tired of this car now. So, there it is. Woo! It did it! 200,000! And watch, 10 seconds after this video ends, it'll break down into a heap and explode or something, but we'll see.
in the supernatural healing powers of the strange.
No trucks in the left lane, no, you cannot be there. And it's for real this time because we are on I-81 south of Syracuse in Lafayette. And it's still April, so no trucks are allowed in the left lane. No, you cannot be there. Even though it's probably going to be well into May by the time this video comes out. It's still April. You can see the date on the bottom of the screen. We're still in April, I promise. Would I ever lie to you? Well, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Alright, I'll check you later in the next video. Oh, look, there's a sign. No trucks allowed in the left lane, November through April. We just passed it. You know it's for real. Well, see you in the next video. Okay, bye!